We're going to example 2 on page 120 and solving a tan equation. Tan of 2x equals 2x minus 1 equals 1, and we're doing it in radians between negative pi and pi. That's equivalent to negative 180 to 180 degrees. Okay, the first thing we do is that you need to be aware that we're going to do this method by the general solutions, and then we're going to find answers for those. We know that here we've got our b value is 2, so that means we've got 2 cycles in 360 degrees. Every cycle gives you 2 solutions, so we are expecting 4 solutions. Notice down here, these are the answers. There's 4 solutions. Okay, so we're going to have tan of 2x minus 1, that equals 1. We're going to do the tan inverse on that, so that gives us what's in the brackets. 2x minus 1 gives me the tan inverse on 1. Now that is actually going to be pi over 4, but we're just going to do these in decimals. So we're going to get 2x minus 1 equals, and if you do that on your calculator, you're going to end up with 0.785, and I've rounded to 4 decimal places. Always do a bit more decimal places than you need to at this point. Now this one here is as soon as you tan inverse, that is going to be alpha, and that alpha belongs there in the general formula. So that tells us by the general solutions that 2x minus 1, that's what we get when we do the inverse tan, and that gives us n pi plus alpha. Alpha is 0.7854. Need to rearrange to find x, so we're going to add 1 to both sides. And you can put that together to make it 1.7854, and the next step is we're going to divide by 2. So that's going to be n pi plus, and add 1 would be 1.7854, and then we're going to divide through by 2. Now that's your general formula for this one here. You can split it up into 2 separate bits if you wish to. So if you do that, you'll get n pi over 2, and that's going to be plus and 1.7854 dividing by 2 gives us 0.8927. Right, we need the solutions for that, so we're going to do it over here. We're going to make n 0. Okay, and if n was 0, that would be, that would give you x equals 0.8927. If you choose where n is 1, that would give you x equals n times pi. N is 1, so it's pi over 2 plus 0.8927. So that would give us, let me just do that on the calculator, pi divided by 2 plus 0.8927. That comes about 2.446. That's 2366. Okay, and then we do n is 2, and that will give me, that would be pi. N is 2, because if n is 2, that gives me pi plus 0.8927. So plus pi, and that gives me 4.034. Now we want it between, the question said between pi and negative pi, and pi is 3.14, that's too big. Okay, so pi is about 3.14, that's too big, that's a good one, and that's a good one. We still need to find 2 more, so we're going to find the negative one. So go back and do n is negative 1, and you'll probably need to go n is negative 2 as well. Okay, and to get those ones there. If you put those into your calculator, you will get the other ones, and I think they come out to be x is negative 0.6781, and here x equals negative 2.2489.